In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Google Analytics 4 on your Webflow website. Let's get started. Open your Google Analytics account and create a GA4 property if you haven't already. Create a web data stream, enter your website URL and copy the Google tag or measurement ID provided. Next, open your Webflow project and go to Site Settings. Open the Apps and Integrations or Custom Code section depending on your setup. Paste your Google Analytics tracking code into the head code section or enter your measurement ID if you're using Webflow's built-in Google Analytics integration. Save your changes, then publish your website so the tracking code is added to every page. Finally, visit your website and check the real-time report in Google Analytics to confirm that your visits are being tracked. That's how to install Google Analytics 4 on Webflow. Thanks for watching.